Customers use subnets primarily to segment a single large network into smaller, more manageable logical networks. First, we will do a step-by-step walkthrough of the process in Prism Element. Then we will talk about some benefits subnets provide. In Prism Element, click on the Settings gear icon. Now on the left, choose Network Configuration. Under Subnets, click on Create Subnet, then name it, choose the appropriate VLAN ID, and hit Save. Your new subnet will appear here. If you want AHV to control the IP address assignments, click here, scroll down and add the network IP prefix and gateway IP address. Here are some reasons you may want to manage your network with subnets. Improve performance and reduce congestion. By breaking up large broadcast domains, subnets limit the amount of broadcast traffic flowing across the network. Subnet routes traverse a logical router, which minimizes latency. Enhanced security and isolation. Customers often use dedicated subnets for out-of-band management such as IPMI, separating it from the AHV host and CVM traffic. Efficient IP address management subnetting allows for organized IP allocation. Streamlined routing and multi-tenancy. Subnets enable isolated routing domains, overlapping IPs across different tenants, and organized east-west traffic flow through transit VPCs. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.